Tonight, gonna make got a pink head. I'm gonna make a pink and chartreuse with a little duck feather belly for a little bit of white. But I'm gonna use fake fur for the chartreuse. Lay it on there. Spin that up real good. Alright. That nice little plume of chartreuse. Take one piece of duck feather. Got it cut already. Got that speckle in it. And that's gonna go on last. It'll be on the bottom, which goes on the top because the jig's upside down. Alright. There we go. And I got a little bass skirt piece. Alright, take out one piece. Alright, even it out. Yeah, I believe I've been ever since Josh, my son, used the blue-headed redneck at Gunnersville. That's the one I used the first time I started putting these little pieces of bass jig skirts in. And he did so well, I just started putting them in all my jigs. Just one little piece of it. I got just enough chartreuse Chanel to make it a chartreuse body. I believe I got enough. So we'll get it back. Alright. Got just enough, I think, to finish this jig. Yep, just enough. Got a little bitty short piece for scrap. Try not to waste. Go around 3, 4, 5 times. Lock it. Alright. Trim that piece off. Alright. Line it 4 or 5 more times. Lock it in there real good. Alright. 3 knot twists. That'll tighten. There we go. Yeah, that's silk string works better than this polyester. Sometimes just don't want to do knot right sometimes, but it works just fine. All right, and there it is. All right. Chartreuse and pink head. See that little bit of bass jig, little legs sticking down there, and my duck feather sticking down on the belly. Chartreuse and pink. Boy, it's a good looking jig. Look at that jig. That's a crappie killer right there. Law-LawDogJigs. Go fishing. Like and subscribe. Thank you. Good night.